In 2008, biologist Mark Denny of Stanford set out to determine the maximum speed human beings could run. Humans keep getting faster due to advances in training and through evolution. But according to Denny, for any distance, a species will eventually reach its limits. He looked at the annual maximum speed humans have run different distances over time, by recording the single best time in an official race each year. Denny asserts that these values should conform to a distribution that has a defined absolute maximal value. This chart shows the top recorded speed each year for the 400-meter race going back to the 1900s. Based on Denny's models, the maximum achievable speed for the 400-meter race is 9.36 meters per second, which corresponds to crossing the finish line at 42.73 seconds. Wayde van Nierkerk of South Africa set a new world record when he won the gold in Rio, finishing the 400-meter race in only 43.03 seconds, only 0.3 of a second slower than Denny's prediction for the fastest a human could possibly finish this race. For the 100-meter, Denny predicted the best possible time would be 9.48 seconds, which equates to a speed of 10.55 meters per second. A year after the study was published, Usain Bolt beat his previous world record by running the 100-meter in 9.58 seconds, only 1/10 of a second slower than the fastest human time imaginable, according to Denny's analysis. In Rio, he won gold, but did not set a new world record, finishing in 9.81 seconds.